Hi there guys, this is Benjamin here and welcome back to How to Succeed in Solo Ads Part 6. If you guys look at my screen over here, what I'm going to share with you guys today is basically the focus will be on lead pages. Alright, however, you need to understand that all these different softwares must integrate with one another in order to ensure that your entire system is fully functional. Alright, so meaning to say, once we purchase the clicks from different Solo Ads vendors, we are going to push them into our squeeze page, which I will show you guys how to design a very simple looking squeeze page later. Alright, then from there, once the leads opt in, meaning to say they have given you their email addresses or their first name, that is where your email autoresponder, in our case will be AWeber, will have to collect all these email addresses. So needless to say, the first thing that we need to do is to integrate our Leadpages account with our email autoresponder, which is AWeber. Simultaneously, I've also mentioned to you guys this particular screen over here. Alright, so Optin Dojo, being our main tracking software, is going to integrate properly with Leadpages, AWeber, as well as with Warrior Plus account. Alright, so your Leadpages will be the one that we are going to build up your squeeze page and bridge page. Your AWeber will be the one that we are going to use it as an email marketing software. And Warrior Plus will be the one that we are going to choose all the low ticket offers in order to promote via our entire email marketing system as per something like this. At this juncture, I hope that you guys have already subscribed to your AWeber account, Leadpages account, as well as your Optin Dojo account, so that you can follow along with me to set up your entire system. If you have not done so, please refer to all my links in the description box below this video and start doing that ASAP. For this example, I'm going to use one of my newer students' account, alright, his Leadpages account, his AWeber account, as well as his Optin Dojo account to do this very simple tutorial for you guys. Because anyway, we are going to set up this entire done for you system for him. So simultaneously, I would like to show you guys how we do it. Now, the very first thing that you do when you log into your Leadpages account is to head over to integrations. Let me show you guys again. Under all integrations, click on AWeber. Then from here, all right, you will not see this thing. All you need to do is to click on connect new account. All right, but for my case, I'm just going to put reconnect. Account name by default, you put on there as AWeber account 1. So click on reconnect. Now, the way that AWeber integrates with Leadpages is not via API key. API key, application programming interface, this key is only used when you try to integrate Getresponse with Leadpages. For AWeber's case, it's pretty simple. Once you click on connect, they will ask you for the login details of your AWeber account. So please make sure at this juncture your AWeber account is open in a separate window. So now I'm going to input the login name of my student as well as his password. Okay, click on I'm not a robot, click on allow access. So from here you can see your AWeber account 1 account was successfully reconnected. Alright, so make sure that this status is under connected first before you start doing any form of designing. The next thing you need to do is to head over to landing pages. Click on create new landing page. On the top right under this search function here, just type in the word blank. Click on start building. Now they'll ask you for a page name. You can put down there as first template. Okay. I'll put out there without first name. Alright, first template without first name. Click on continue. This is where you see the main interface of how you're going to edit your entire squeeze page on Leadpages. So the very first thing is hover your mouse to the left. Alright, under widgets, click on that. Now you see that there's text, image plus text, image, videos, buttons, forms, lines, and space. So go over to the text area, click and drag and drop it until you see this blue color rectangular box here, and then release your mouse. So from here, I'm going to copy and paste. Alright, so this is how your entire headline will look like. Then subsequently, on the left, you will see this form option. Alright, click and drag. Make sure you drop it over here and not over here or over here. So just remember to drop it somewhere at the below. So now you can see that this entire form has been created. Correct? But we are going to change certain colors here. So let me show you guys how to change the colors. Over here, in terms of the button, we are going to click on edit style. On the left, you see button color. Click on that. Under brand colors or recent colors, now click on add brand colors. They will bring you back to the branding option here. So you see this box here, click on the plus sign, and I will choose something which is relatively dark blue. All right, or maybe something that is, let me check. I think this dark blue looks nice. Okay, then from there, head back again to your landing page. Click again on first template with our first name. Okay, so click over here again, edit the style. So from here, the blue color options appear. So click on that, your entire button will change to blue after you save it. Now you can see that this whole button is blue color. And over here, I'm going to click once. Okay, anywhere within the sign up, you don't have to double click it, just click it once. I'm going to remove sign up and I'm going to put out there get instant access. All right, so this is how your squeeze page will generally look like. Now, this squeeze page is really only meant for solo ads traffic. Do not use this kind of squeeze page for other forms of traffic, like for example, your Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, that kind of thing. All right, this kind of squeeze page will not work well for those kind of traffic sources. Okay, I repeat again, this kind of squeeze page will only work well for solo ads traffic. All right. Next thing we are going to do is we're going to click on widgets again. Under the text, click and drag and drop here. And over here, I'm going to copy and paste again. All right. Okay. Cool. Now this is how your entire squeeze page will look like. Let's check the preview. Desktop mode, it will look like this. Tablet mode, it will look like this. And mobile mode, it will look like this. Now, you guys will realize that by now, I did not try to mobile optimize the page at all within Leadpages. Because one thing good about Leadpages is they will automatically mobile optimize for you all your landing pages. All right, guys. So click on exit preview. Now, however, we are not done here yet. If you guys still remember, I mentioned about using Optin Dojo to integrate properly, all right, with your Leadpages account. So the way we do it is log into your Optin Dojo account. All right, so from there, after you log in, you will see this page here. Now click on this option here in order to access the main working space of Optin Dojo. So from here, the first step, click on funnels. So click on create new funnel, add a new funnel over here. All right, I'm going to name this funnel Leadpages Leads. Okay. Then over here, they will ask you for where is the default destination for your opt-in page. Now, this is where we need to go back again to our page builder. Click on publish. Okay, just ignore this. Save it and publish it. Right, this is the link that we need. So click on copy link. Go back again to your funnels. Over here, I'll put down there first template without first name. Then I'm going to paste the link over here. Then click on Save Funnel. After you click on Save Funnel, you will notice that this HTML script and the new lead redirect pixels comes out from Optin Dojo. So let's copy this HTML script first. Head back over to Leadpages. All right, let's continue editing here. So on the left, you see settings. Click on that. Then over here, there are 4 options: SEO, social, analytics, and language. Click on analytics. Under hit section tracking code, we are going to paste that HTML code that we have just obtained from Optin Dojo. Click on save. Close it. Next step, hover your mouse over to this form area. Click on edit integrations. Under actions, hit on external URL. Go back again into your Optin Dojo account and copy this entire code here by clicking on this button here. Then go back again to your Leadpages and paste this external URL code over here. Click on save and close. All right. Now, whatever changes that you have done over here, remember to click on update. Again, there's still one final step to do. You need to head back into your main dashboard, all right, your main dashboard of your AWeber account. Then from there, scroll down, you will see all the lists over here. For your case, should be entirely blank. So click on create new list. Company's name, I will put out there as my student's name, Max Company. All right. Website or Facebook business page, it really doesn't matter. All the addresses, all right, just choose the correct one. Click on next. Over here, the list name, you will put down there as Leadpages, leads. Okay, copy the whole thing and paste under the list description. If you want to use other forms of description to describe what this list is really all about, you can do so. For my case, usually I'll just copy and paste the whole thing. For the first name, I will use down there as Max. Okay, now over here, you will notice that the from address, they do not have the one that we have just created with our Bluehost account. So I'm going to click on add a new sender email. And over here, this is the new email address that we are going to prepare for this email list, which is max@trainingwithmaxallen.com. All right, then click on send verification. Okay, so now they're asking you to check the inbox of your Bluehost account. Let's go over to Bluehost then. Bluehost.com. Let's log into our Bluehost account. So over here, again, let me access my student's Bluehost account. Okay, paste it. Paste the password. Log in. Right, I'm going to skip this entire thing. Again, I'm going to skip this entire thing. All these are not really that important at this point in time. So early this morning, I have actually created a customized email address based on the domain that my student has just purchased, which is trainingwithmaxallen.com. So hover back into hosting. Scroll down until you see the 3 quick links. Click on cPanel email. Under email accounts, click on continue. Alright, so this was the new email address that I created for my student's account. Click on check email because we need to verify the email that's been sent by AWeber. Okay, click on open the inbox. So this is the particular email that's been sent by AWeber, if you guys can see it. Okay, verify your email address, double click it to open it, click on verify email address. So now they will bring you back into your AWeber account again. Alright, so you notice that the entire list does not appear the one that I've just created. So never mind, let's click on create new list again. So over here, let's just repeat the whole process again. Max Company. Next. List name, I'll put down there as Leadpages list. Or rather Leadpages leads. I'm going to copy this whole thing and paste under the list description. From name will be Max. Now over here, if I click on it, you will see that this email address has been verified. max@trainingwithmaxallen.com. So click on that, ignore this warning sign, click on next. Now they'll ask you for this thing called a double opt-in message preview. All you need to do is just to select any subject line that you want. Then from there, click on create list. So now this list has been properly created called Leadpages leads. Okay, so let's head back into our Leadpages again. Go to edit integrations, which is the final step that I want to show you guys. Okay, over here, click on add an integration, AWeber account 1, and we're going to search for the Leadpages list. Let's see where it is over here. Now you notice that if the list that you just created from AWeber is not within this entire selection, all you need to do is to click on this button over here, or rather this entire line over here, you see. Not finding what you're looking for, try refreshing. So click on it once. Okay, once it stops spinning, click on select destination again, you will find the Leadpages list appear. Alright, so click on save again. Cross it. And like I mentioned, remember to update the entire squeeze page. The entire process might seem a little bit complicated for you guys, especially when you're completely new to email marketing. But however, the good news that I want to share with you guys is, all this system, all you need to do is to set it up once. After you set it up once, you literally don't have to bother about it anymore. And from there, just focus on your email marketing campaigns, keep on buying leads, all right? Then from there, build up your email list. Remember to separate them, or rather I would say segment them into who are the raw leads, your buyers list C, B, and A eventually. If you are somebody who is really keen in terms of understanding email marketing, you can always refer back into all my different mentorship programs. I have my beginners club, my star club, as well as my inner circle. Especially for my inner circle, that is where the success rate is pretty high. And from there, I'm going to work one-on-one with you, including all the done for you setup, including one-on-one, one time per week, all right, every single week. We are going to hop onto a Zoom session, plus a one group session every single week. So every week, you're going to see my face twice at least. And the thing about my inner circle is I'm going to work with you guys all the way until you achieve at least a minimum of 5,000 US dollars profit every single month for consecutively 3 months. All right, guys. So I'll see you guys in the next recording, whereby we are going to move deep into how to set up our AWeber account.